students. This is our science class. Let's start our journey towards third term. Students, in our daily life, we do so many activities, moving from one place to another, reading or writing, playing, eating, closing or opening the door. And we consider all of these as work. In science, work has a different meaning. In physics, work is defined as a force causing the movement. Remember, work is defined as a force causing the movement. Actually, work is said to be done only when the force applied on an object which makes the object to move through a certain distance in the direction of applied force. Remember, if we apply force to move a wall, it is not considered as work. Always remember, if we apply force to move a wall, it is not considered as work. Although generally we said that learning, reading, sleeping, or eating is the works we do. But none of these are considered as work in science. In science, reading, sleeping, studying, etc., these all are not at all work, because force is not being applied in any of this and objects are not moving. Pushing or pulling is the force which we apply to do work. Look at the pictures. Here is a picture. Here a girl and a boy, uh, are playing tug of war. Okay, they all pull a rope towards themselves. Okay, it is pulling. And here a person pushing a wheelchair with the patient. Okay, and here a person just pulling the door of the car, and here a man just pushing the wheelbarrow. Okay, handle of the wheelbarrow, and it just moves on. So these are pushing and pulling. Now listen, your mother gives you a heavy loaded box and asks you to place it in the other room. Then you carry the box but not even move a step ahead with the box, although you give all your efforts. Then your father takes the box from you and carries it to the said room. In science, your efforts will not be rewarded as work, even if you used all the force you have. Your father carried the box easily without much effort. Still, it is rewarded as work. So always remember, work is not done if no change in position has taken place after a force has been applied. Okay, so here are some examples of work. Here you just have a look. Kicking a football, work is done here. Pushing a wheelchair, work is done here. Throwing a stone, a work is done. Riding a bicycle, a work is done. Okay, and here is some another picture. Pushing a car, just here is a potter making this, and here it is also work is done. Now here are some examples where no work is being done. Look, this girl unable to lift the weights, no work is done here. Sitting on a wheelchair, not moving, so work is not done. And carrying a bag and standing, and that is also work is not done here. Okay, and here I'm showing you another picture. Look at this, just work is not done here, although that person give all his effort to push the stone, heavy stone. Okay, and now I'm telling you about a interesting fact. You know, in the solar system, the movement of rotation and revolution of the planets are going on even though there is no force to act against them. So, no work is being done in space. Just remember, just imagine. And it's a very much interesting fact that in the solar system, always movement is going on, but no work is done here because the rotation, although their rotation and revolution takes place all the time, but they, as there is no movement between them, so the work is not done here. Okay, and always remember that. So we listen in this part that work is done only when a change in position has taken place after a force has been applied. This is the main fact. So this much for today's class, and you read this part very well, and till our next class, bye.